How to connect WhatsApp to computer. Open web.whatsapp.com on your computer using the web browser Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Safari, or Edge are compatible. Open the WhatsApp app on your phone by tapping on it. Go to Menu, then WhatsApp Web. There will be a QR code, looks like a scrambled barcode, on the computer screen. How to log in or out. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Android, more options greater than WhatsApp Web. Select the checkbox next to Keep Me Signed In on the QR screen on your computer or portal to stay logged in on this device. Use your phone to scan the QR code on your computer or portal. If prompted, tap or select Done.